Viewers, the Apex Court has heard the petitions and pleas challenging the Waqf Act yesterday and made some big observations over the Act and the violent incidents that have taken place over the law. Take a look at this.
The political face-off protests continue over the Waqf Amendment Act 2025. The Apex Court heard the petitions and pleas challenging the Waqf Act. A three-judge bench led by CJI Justice Sanjiv Khanna made big observations over the Act, but did not pass any interim order on Wednesday. The observations made by CJI Khanna says all ancient monuments remain protected and protected monuments will not be affected. The CJI further said Article 26 has not prevented the Parliament from enacting laws. And not all Waqf by user land is wrongly registered, while some provisions need clarification. The Apex Court came down heavily on the incidents of violence in Bengal over the Waqf law. The CJI called the violence very disturbing. The Supreme Court proposed to order that the properties declared as Waqf, including Waqf by user, won't be denotified. But the centre opposed the suggestion and sought a hearing before such a directive. The Apex Court will take up the case of Waqf Amendment Act today, and it's likely to pass an interim order.
Also being joined by my colleague Riyanka to get us more updates into the matter. Riyanka, speak to us about the key reviews that are also supposed to happen today over the Waqf Amendment Act.
Two-hour hearing that went on yesterday, where the Supreme Court and the Pleas the amendments made in the Waqf Act, and it also made several observations and was ready to pass an interim order, but at the end it was put on hold as the centre as well as the states sought more time to argue and issue some of the clarifications and put forward more apprehensions in this particular case. Now, what we expect today, firstly, the hearing once again post-lunch in the Supreme Court, the bench, which is led by CJI, Sanjiv Khanna, will be taking note of all the other arguments that will be said of the sentence from the side of the state.